Chapter 15 Srila Haridas Thakur and Srila Rupa Goswami. When Srila Rupa Goswami arrived in Nilachal, having travelled from Vrindavan, he went directly to the place where Srila Haridas Thakur was performing bhajan. Haridas Thakur tare bahu kripa kahila, tumi asibe more Prabhu je kahila. Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Antilila 1.46. Srila Haridas Thakur showered Sri Rupa Goswami with abundant mercy and said, Mahaprabhu told me that you would be coming here. When Sriman Mahaprabhu next came to meet with Srila Haridas Thakur, Srila Haridas Thakur informed him, My Lord, Rupa is offering you obeisances. Sriman Mahaprabhu embraced Srila Rupa Goswami and sat down with both of them. After inquiring from Srila Rupa Goswami about his well-being, Mahaprabhu told him to reside with Srila Haridas Thakur, and then he returned to his own residence. Sriman Mahaprabhu came daily to meet them, bringing them the Jagannath Prasad given to him by others. Haridas Thakur, Shri Rupa Sanatan, Jagannath Mandire na jaan teen jan. Mahaprabhu Jagannather uppal bhog dekhiya, nij grihe jaan, ei tiner miliya. ए तीन मध्य जबे थागे जय जन तार आसी अपने मिले प्रभु नियम. श्री चैतन्य चैतामृत मध्य लीला 1.63 to 65. Srila Haridas Thakur considered himself to be a barbarian, means Malecha. So he never visited Sri Jagannath Dev's temple for fear of breaking one of the temple's rules to refuse entrance to anyone not born in an Indian Hindu family. Srila Sanatan Goswami and Srila Rupa Goswami would also not visit Sri Jagannath Dev's temple because although they had taken birth in a highly respectable Brahmin family, they had since worked for a Muslim king. They considered themselves to be the same as Malechas and therefore resided with Srila Haridas Thakur. Knowing this, Sriman Mahaprabhu, after attending the Uppal Bhog ceremony, footnote, an offering that is performed from behind the Garud Stamba, column in front of Jagannath's temple on which the statue of Garud is situated, would visit whoever of the three was present in their hut. He would then return to his own place. The Rath Yatra festival. Although Srila Haridas Thakur, Srila Sanatan Goswami and Sri Rupa Goswami would not enter the temple, the following verses make it clear that they attended the cleansing of Gundicha temple. Furthermore, it shows that during the Rath Yatra festival, they would dance and sing in Kirtan and take darshan of Sri Jagannath Dev along with the rest of Sriman Mahaprabhu's devotees. Bhakta Gane Laya Kaila Gundicha Marjan आई टोटा आसी कैला वन्य भोजन प्रसाद खाए हरि बल सर्व भक्त जन देखी हरिदास रूपे हर्षित मन गोविंद द्वारे प्रभु शेष प्रसाद पाइला प्रेमे मत दुई जने नाचिते लागिला. श्री चैतन्य चैतामृत अंतलीला 1.62 to 64. The day before Rath Yatra, Sriman Mahaprabhu, along with all the devotees, cleaned the Gundicha temple. Thereafter they went to Aitota garden to take fruits, roots, and other such foods for lunch. Srila Haridas Thakur and Srila Rupa Goswami were also present there. They were delighted to see the devotees accepting prasad and on occasion calling out, Hari Hari. After Sriman Mahaprabhu and all other devotees honored prasad, Shri Govinda brought Sriman Mahaprabhu's remnants to Srila Haridas Thakur and Shri Rupa Goswami. Upon receiving those remnants, they began to dance, maddened in prema. Another year, when Sriman Mahaprabhu sat to honor prasad with Shri Nityanand Prabhu, Shri Advaitacharya, Shri Vakreshwar Pandit and others, the following events transpired. Haridas Bali Prabhu डाके घन घन दूरे रही हरिदास करे निवेदन भक्त संगे प्रभु करुणा प्रसाद अंगीकार এই সঙ্গে বসিতে যোগে नाही मुई छार, पाछे मोर प्रसाद गोविंद दिवे वही द्वारे, मन जानी प्रभु पुना ना बालिते तारे। श्री चैतन्य चेतामृत मध्य लीला 12.160 to 162। Sriman Mahaprabhu very loudly called out for Srila Haridas Thakur to come to him. Srila Haridas Thakur, standing at a distance, said, O Lord, please honor Prasad with the devotees. This fallen soul is unqualified to sit in such company. After all of you have honored Prasad, Govinda will bring Prasad outside for me. Understanding the mind of Srila Haridas Thakur, Sriman Mahaprabhu said nothing further. On the day of Rath Yatra, Srila Haridas Thakur and Sri Rup Goswami were always with Sriman Mahaprabhu. Rath Yatrae Jagannath darshan karila, Rath agre Prabhu nitya kirtan dekhila. Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Antilila 1.72। Srila Rup Goswami had darshan of Sri Jagannath Dev's Rath Yatra festival and also witnessed Sriman Mahaprabhu dance and sing in front of the chariot. The following verses clarify that Srila Haridas Thakur was present with the other devotees during Sri Jagannath Dev's Rath Yatra festival. तबे महाप्रभु मने विचार करिया, चारि संप्रदाय दिला गायन बटिया। नित्यानंद अद्वैत हरिदास वक्रेश्वरे, चारि जने आज्ञा दिला नित्य करिवारे। श्री चैतन्य चेतामृत मध्य लीला 13.34 and 35। At the time of Rath Yatra, Sriman Mahaprabhu, after some consideration, assigned singers to the 4 individual kirtan parties. The Lord then ordered Sri Nityan Prabhu, Sri Advaitacharya, Srila Haridas Thakur, and Sri Vakreshwar Pandit to each dance in one of the 4 groups. Vasudev Gopinath Murari Jaha Gaye, Mukund Pradhan Kail Ar Sampradaye, Shrikant Vallabh Sen Ar Dui Jan, Haridas Thakur Taha Karen Nartan। Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.40 and 41। The Lord makes Shri Mukunda the chief Kirtaniya of the 3rd party and made Shri Vasudev, Shri Gopinath, Shri Murari, Shrikant and Shri Vallabh Sen the assistant Kirtaniyas. He made Srila Haridas Thakur the dancer in his party. Srila Rup Goswami's verse, after Chaturmasya, means the 4 months of the rainy season, all the devotees who had come from Gaudadesh, Bengal, returned to their native place. But Srila Rup Goswami stayed with Srila Haridas Thakur. One day, when Sriman Mahaprabhu came to meet them, he saw Srila Rup Goswami was writing something. Upon seeing Sriman Mahaprabhu, both Srila Haridas Thakur and Srila Rup Goswami offered prostrated obeisances to him. Sriman Mahaprabhu embraced them both and seated himself. क्या पुथी लिखा बलि एक पात्र नीला, अक्षर देखिया प्रभु मने सुखी हैला। Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Antilila 1.96। Sriman Mahaprabhu inquired, What book are you writing, Rupa? Mahaprabhu then held a palm leaf and seeing the handwriting of Shri Rupa, became pleased and praised his writing. Sei Patra Prabhu ek shlok dekhila, Parite shlok prem avishta haila। Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Antilila 1.98। Upon reading a verse written on that leaf, Sriman Mahaprabhu became overwhelmed with prema. This verse by Shri Rup Goswami is as follows: Tunde Tandavani Ratim Vitunate, Tunda Vali Labdai, Karne Krodh Kadambani Ghatayate, Karna Bodhvya Spriham, Cheta Prangan Sangani Vijayate, Sarv Indriyam Kritim, No Jane Janita Ki Adbur Amrite, Krishneti Varnadvai। Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Antilila 1.99। I do not know how much nectar the 2 syllables Krish and Na have collected in themselves and produced. Just see, when these syllables dance in our mouth, we are filled with an increasing desire for many more mouths. When they enter the holes of our ears, a desire to have millions of ears awakens within us. When they arise in the courtyard of our heart, they conquer the activities of all senses. श्लोक शुनी हरिदास हैल उल्लासी नाचिते लागिला श्लोकेरे अर्थ प्रशंसी. श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत अंतलीला 1.100. As soon as Srila Haridas Thakur heard the above verse, he became ecstatic and danced while praising its meaning. Srila Haridas Thakur said, Krishna namer mahima shastra sadhu mukhe jani, namer mahima ache kaha nahi shuni. Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Antalila 1.101. Rupa, I have heard much about the glories of Shri Krishna's name from the scriptures and from great devotees. Yet, nowhere have I heard such a glorification of the holy name as you have written here. Mahaprabhu then embraced them both and left for the sea to perform his afternoon duties such as bathing and honoring prasad. On another day, Sriman Mahaprabhu came with several devotees and heard many of the verses which Srila Rupa Goswami had composed. The Lord and all the devotees praised Sri Rupa Goswami in many ways. When Sriman Mahaprabhu returned to his residence with all the devotees, Srila Haridas Thakur embraced Srila Rupa Goswami and said, Haridas kahe, तुम्हार भाग्य नहीं सीमा, जे सबे वर्णिला, इहार के जाने महिमा. Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Antalila 1.210. Rupa, there is no limit to your good fortune. Who can understand the glory of all that you have described? Srila Rupa Goswami said, I personally do not know anything. I simply speak whatever Sriman Mahaprabhu inspires me to. In this way, Srila Rupa Goswami and Srila Haridas Thakur happily spent their time immersed in the nectarian topics of Shri Krishna Katha.